So, hello students. Today we are going to learn chapter number 5, that is special types of quadrilaterals of class 8. In this part 3, we are going to solve some examples based on properties of a parallelogram. Already we have seen some properties of a parallelogram. In that we have learned that in a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are also equal, and the diagonals they bisect each other. Okay. So by using these properties, let us solve some examples. Okay. So here we have our first example. Now it is given that two sides of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:4. If its perimeter is a 42 centimeter, then find the length of its sides. Okay. So now, whenever anything is given in terms of a ratio, we consider the common term in that as x. Okay. So let the sides be 3x and 4x respectively. Okay, if you consider the sides as 3x and 4x, we get this type of figure. Let us consider that this ABCD is a required parallelogram. If this side is 3x, the another one will be 4x. Now if this one is 3x, the side opposite to this parallelogram will also be, yes, it will be also 3x. Okay, this shows the sides are parallel to each other, and we have seen that opposite sides are equal also. So if this one is 3x, this will be also 3x. If this one is 4x, this will be also 4x. Okay. Now it is given that the perimeter of the parallelogram is how much? 42 centimeter. Now perimeter means sum of all sides. Okay. So in next step, what we get? Now the perimeter is given as a 42 centimeter, and we know that perimeter means sum of all sides. So in next step we get, therefore 3x plus 4x plus 3x plus 4x equals to 42, means sum of these all values will be how much? 42. Now we can see that these all are like terms, means they consist of x. In each term x is present, so we can directly add it. So what you will get now? 3 plus 4, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 4, you will get 14x equals to 42 centimeter. Now in next step we want this x alone over here, so this 14 is multiplying to this x. If we change its side, it will divide, so we get it in this way, that is x equals to 42 upon 14. Okay, now we have to divide this one, so 14 ones are 14 threes are. Okay, so and next we get x equals to 3, but we want to find the value of length of each side. So what is the length of first side? So it is 3x. Okay, so you get it in this way. Therefore length of first side equals to 3x equals to 3 into, now what is the value of this x? So it is also 3, so our answer will be 9 centimeter. Okay, similarly for second side equals to 4x, so you will get 4 into value of x is 3, so 4 threes are 12 centimeter. So finally we get the length of all sides is how much? So length of sides are first 9 centimeter, then 12 centimeter, then again 9 centimeter and 12. Why we got this repeated? Because opposite sides are equal. Okay, if you add each one of them, our answer will be again 42. Okay, that is the perimeter will be 42. So this much is our answer. Now let us solve another example. Now here it is given that two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 5:7. Adjacent means neighboring. We have to find the measure of all the angles. Again same condition. Let us consider first angle as 5x, second angle as 7x. If we consider in this way, so we get a figure in this form. Let us consider that this PQRS is the required parallelogram. Now here, if this angle is 5x, this we can write as 7x because these both are adjacent. Okay. Now remember one thing, that this is a parallelogram where PS is parallel to QR and PQ will be the transversal. So during such a condition, these both angles become co-interior angles. Okay, and we know that the sum of co-interior angles is how much? It is always 180 degrees. So that property we are going to use further. Okay. Now, what can we write? So now we can write 5x plus 7x equals to 180. Reason co-interior angles. Okay. Now, next step, what we will do, we will add this 5x and 7x. So in next step, we get 12x equals to 180. Now, we don't want this 12 over here. We just want x over here. So 12 is multiply. On the other side, it will divide. So in next step, you will get x equals to 180 upon 12. Therefore, x equals to 15 degree. Okay. Now, what was our first angle? Our first angle is 5x and second one is 7x. Okay, we have to find that values. Therefore, first angle is equal to 5x. That is 5 into what is the value of x? 15. So that equals to 75 degree. And our second angle is 7x, that is 7 into 15. 15 is nothing but value of x. So that equals to 105 degree. If you want to confirm, sum of this both will be how much? 180 degree. Okay. So the final answer is that we have to write. Therefore, the measure of all angles are first angle 75, second 105. Now, third is similar to first because opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. And finally, the fourth angle is 105 respectively. Okay. Sorry. So, this much is enough for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.